Hula Walla.
Huh?
Hula Walla.
What?
Hula Walla.
I don't know what that means.
Fafitai.
What?
Fafitai.
What does that mean?
Hula Walla Fafitai.
I don't know what you're talking about, man. You don't speak English? Oh, come on, dog.
Hula Walla.
I'll show you this.
Okay.
Nah, these fools, Are you taking pictures, dude?
They're taking pictures.
Why are you hiding? Hey, cool. Hiding, huh? Hold on. Let me see. Are you hiding your face, dude? You're hiding your face. Come on, man. Hiding your face. Wow. Got you. Got you too, homie. Got you too. You're the only pussy motherfucker. Show your face.
You're the one acting like a little bitch.
That's what I thought.
That's what I thought.
You
That's
guys
what
are
I thought.
motherfuckers that go everywhere.
Yeah, catch stupid like you that
like
jump
you.
out their truck. Yeah, that's
Nah.
us. Yeah, that's us.
That's
We found
us.
a stupid that jumped out of his truck that made a fool out of himself.
Oh, really?
Congratulations.
How about your stupid ass
You're a
filming
clown.
the people across
You're
the street?
a clown, dude.
Fucking
That's
idiot.
why you wear a red and blue uniform. You're a clown.
And your company, I'll send this to your company, bro.
What?
I'll send this to your company and see how
Send
they
it.
said.
I'm on lunch, brother.
So
I
what?
didn't touch you.
So what? Doesn't matter, dude.
Hey,
You're a pussy, dude. You're still a pussy, you know that, right?
really?
Yeah. That's your business, motherfucker.
Oh, really?
Ah.
Tough, huh?
I'll send this
Show
one to.
your-
I'll
Go
send this to your
ahead,
company.
send it.
I'll send this to your company, dude.
Send
You're gonna
it.
be
It's
fired,
right
dude.
there. It's
You're
right
gonna
there.
you're gonna be
It's
fired
right there.
tomorrow, dude, for dumbass.
It's right there. You motherfuckers just like to get people aggravated so you can get some fucking clicks on your YouTube. You think I don't know who you are?
You think we don't know who you are?
Give a fuck, dude.
I don't do, dude. What do you chupa better? You bought her, huh? Hey, you got some cream, dude? You bought some cream?
I'm sure he had some.
Oh, you got some bot cream? You pussy. I know all this company is
Show
pussy.
your face, bro. Turn around
Pussy.
and show your fucking.
You already know who we are, right, crybaby?
I thought you know who we are, dude.
You already know who we are. Why are you crying?
These are the same pendejos that went over there.
But they call your mom, dude. Your dad,
Oh,
your mom, your grandma.
ooh. Put it on your YouTube. I know who you are.
Yeah, we'll put you. We're
Go
blasting
ahead,
you too
dude.
tomorrow, dude. We'll do it right now, dude. And your company will know. I'll send that to your company. You're wasting company
guys
time,
already
dude.
did.
I'll
Last
send
time
that.
you did it.
I'll send that to your company for being dumbass. SIAA, guys.
Look at that guy doesn't
Oh,
show
29124. Let me get the plate number.
it.
Oh,
Go ahead.
194683.
It's there for a reason.
Yeah.
So anybody
For
can
being
get
a,
the number.
this guy is gonna be on YouTube for being dumbass.
Oh,
This is the
and
the
you're
most
the smart
dumbass
one,
person that I ever filmed in my
You're
life.
the smart one, right?
Yeah.
You fucking lazy dude. Don't wanna work. Just take pictures of everybody so you can get
And all you do is
subscribers.
deliver
Come on.
boxes. How intelligent do you have to be for that?
I'll tell you,
All
you
you're
have
doing
to
is
be.
delivering boxes, buddy. How intelligent are you?
Is it boxes? Are
It
you
might
sure it's
be.
boxes?
It might be crates, it might be boxes,
Might be whatever it is.
it might be slaves. What do you got back there, man? What do you got back there?
Are you done?
What do you got back there, crybaby?
Go check. Go look. Open it.
Open it.
Yeah, that's what I thought. You're not.
Open it, bitch. I'm gonna crybaby. Says the guy that jumped out the truck with his phone.
I'm on lunch.
Says the guy that jumped out the
I'm on
truck with his
lunch,
phone,
stupid.
acting a fool. Crybaby. I know who you guys are. I'm still gonna make a fool of myself.
That's a big voice. He said, "I know who you guys are." You're gonna make fool of yourself. Look at, you're a pussy, dude. Seriously.
You're not.
You're a
Show
pussy.
Your face, pendejo.
You're a pussy.
Show your face, pendejo.
You're a pussy,
That's
dude.
What I thought. You too.
Pussy.
You can't show your face.
Why don't you cover your
Pussy.
face? Why don't you cover your face, dude?
Yeah.
Because I'm not around anybody.
Yes,
I'm
you are
around
on.
trash.
You come out of the truck
I'm around
into
trash
the
right
public,
now.
dumbass.
You're in your trash can, exactly. So roll up the windows and stay in the trash. You're around trash. That's a trash can.
It sucks to be you, huh?
Why would it suck to be me?
It sucks to
It
be
sucks
you.
To be you, bro. You're a loser. You have no life but take pictures of us.
How do you know I don't have a life, dude?
That's your problem.
I have a better job than you, bro.
You get in front of the police and you're like, I have a right to record you. What do you?
And
What's
what do
your
you
point?
do? Yes,
What's
sir.
your point?
No, sir. Here's my ID, sir.
What's your
Let me
point?
see it,
What's your
sir.
point?
Let me lick your boots, sir. That's the difference between me and you.
Ah, got you,
That's the
motherfuckers.
difference
I
between
got
me and you,
motherfuckers
pussy.
Aggravated.
That's right. That's right.
You're a crying baby, dude.
Sure.
Yeah.
A crying baby. Exactly. Yep. Do it. Do it. Let me hear it. Wow, you almost did it right now, man.
You're nervous, huh? You're nervous, yeah. That's not the nervous, dude.
Got on.
What's that?
Got on.
The guy that doesn't want to show his.
Got on.
Yeah, you can call me daddy.
We tried to whip your ass one time and you didn't
Let me
fucking
jump
stand
out
up
of my
because you
truck
a
and
bitch.
get their picture. They got masks on, but I want a
How many
picture
times have
of
they
their
tried to beat
face.
your ass and
You're
you're
a
scared?
disgrace, man. You're a
I see you on
disgrace.
YouTube.
You make yourself look like a fool. Straight out.
Says the motherfucker
Lame.
who's
You make
always
yourself
scared to
look
get
like
his
a
ass
lame,
beat.
bro.
Oh, I'm filming you. I got evidence. I can come back and press charges.
I do have every right, you dumb dick.
We'll find. We'll in every
Shut
fucking.
up, motherfucker.
We'll be in every SIAA, dude.
Cállate los hocico, pendejo.
Cállate el hocico, pendejo. Cállate el trasero, pendejo.
Yeah, this
See,
is
that's
mad.
stupid. It sucks to be you, dude.
He gets mad at
If you say
citizens. in
so.
public.
It sucks to be you, dude.
That's the shit you say at everywhere you go with the YouTube and someone confronts you, it sucks to be you. That's all you can say.
Oh, no shit, you dumb dick. It's called YouTube.
Oh,
It's called You've Seen It Before, right?
I seen how
Yeah,
stupid
but you
you
still
guys
make
are.
yourself look like a dumb dick, so what does it matter
Who's
that you've
a
seen
dumb
it
dick
before or
who's
not?
recording people? Fucking loser. You have no other life but fucking.
Oh, you just came out calling us a loser, so what respect do you deserve? What respect do you deserve?
What respect you
You're acting
deserve
like a
from
bitch.
other people?
You weren't acting like a bitch.
No, he's not a bitch. He's a little bitch. You're a little bitch, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Have fun, bitch.
Bye, little bitch. The trash can.
Oh
get
my
those plates.
god, he did it. Wah! 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 Wah!
They're behind me, behind me. Stay behind me. To the CSP because this is illegal. See, it's illegal because you have all the people here, dude.
All of a sudden you care about legal.
Pussy!
I'll send that to the company, to the CSP.
Go ahead.
Seriously, dude.
Send this
Have a little respect for all the people here.
CIA said, hey, I hope you guys are around here. That way I can come next time and hang out with you again. My lunch is over.
No,
off,
seriously,
pussy.
dude.
You don't got no friends, and we don't want to be your friend either.
Why
So
don't you
fuck
want
off,
to
you
be my
little
friend,
bitch.
you jerk?
Fuck off, you little bitch.
Oh, you don't want to be my friend now.
Oh no!
What a
But
dick.
you don't want to be
I
my
fucking
friend.
give
Look
you
at him cry.
entertainment.
Look at him cry.
I give you entertainment.
Look at him cry.
You
Look at
don't
him
want to
cry.
tell me where you're next time.
Look at
Come
him
on,
cry.
man.
Look at him
Hey,
cry.
I'll send it to your company, dude. What you did is illegal, and the CHP won't appreciate this, dude. Because you're supposed to do that to the heart. Because the people here have to have a respect. Have a little respect for them, dude. All the people, we don't feel it, dude.
Tell me where you're going to be next time.
Shut up, pussy.
It has to be around here.
Shut up, pussy. Shut up, pussy.
Hey, I'll send it to you. Seriously, dude. I'll say that. I'll call it right now, dude. You're gonna be fired, dude. You're gonna be fired. This company.
I gotta go. I left the phone.
Bye, bye, bitch. Bye, bitch. Bye, bitch. Hey, put your seatbelt on too. Hey, watch. Hey, put your seatbelt, little bitch. Seatbelt. Put your seatbelt.
Hey, you see that guy laughing at you?
Put your seat, bitch.
Bye-bye.
Bye, little bitch.
Toodaloo, little bitch. Pussy.
There it is, guys. There, this company, SAIA, 487720. He was blowing the horn all the way up, and they have a lot of older people here, so very disrespectful. All right, guys, just leaving. I'm out.